Bajan ahí, por favor. Wait, what's your name? Ezekiel. What's your name? I'm. Are you recording already? Oh, my name is Rey Perez.
My name is Kaven and Perez, and I'm a part of Luxurious Miami, and I have a 1959 El Camino.
I see you have a matching cooler and a bike. Talk to me about the bike, bro.
My bike, I bought it off of OfferUp. We took it apart. We added the middle design, and then we painted the whole bike red, and then we rebuilt it.
Oye, Ray, tell me a little bit about this really cool El Camino cutout you have. Well, we decided to call up Drip Art and gave him an idea on what we wanted to do to actually make the car pop. You know, we got the idea, we got the cutouts, we flaked it with the same flake that we threw on the roofs, and we color matched the bottom to the car so that it'll really set it off, and I think it was a great idea. We picked up the car from Cali. It was basically more or less all done. Just had to go over it and make sure everything was tuned, fine-tuned, so that it'll be a driver, because apparently it was, but it wasn't. And it was loaded up with a 5.3 LS. We changed the whole belt drive system to Holley just to make sure everything was running smoothly. Has a 4L80 in it. And we redid, basically put a couple new things underneath just to make it roadworthy. And put some Luxor 14x7s on there. And what else did we get in there? We changed the steering wheel out because it had like a wooden steering wheel in it. So we put a nice 59 Impala steering wheel in there. We redid the package tray in the back to go with the flow of the roof and the wings. Added the nice skirts on the side, even though he wanted some cruiser skirts, but you know, as soon as he gets a job and he can afford them, he can put them on there. We added a little raindrop effects to the back. I think he originally wanted the car to be purple. So we said, listen, to change the car from red to purple is a big deal. And I think the car looks great in red. And the little purple accents that we added to it just made it pop.
Oh, that's great, bro.